Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Podcast to Perspective, where I share my learning and insights from the conversations, inspiring conversation around the world. Today I want to talk about a podcast that I found insightful. It's a 45 minutes conversation between Nikhil Kamath, co-founder of Zerodha, and Sam Altman, the CEO of OpenAI, a company behind the ChatGPT. Now, all days we are using the ChatGPTs. So they discuss a lot of things, the AI evolution, how the future of work is changing, and what young people, especially those in 20s, need to focus to stay relevant and create opportunities. It is not just a tech talk. It is about how AI can help you to learn, to create, to build smarter. It doesn't matter what the field is. So, one insight that Sam shared and I found that is insightful is in today's uncertain time. He said one of the most important hard skill that anyone is knowing how to use AI tools effectively. He explained that it does not matter if you are a student, content creator, entrepreneur, or software engineer. AI can help you faster, work smarter, and create better result. Sam said AI tools or ChatGPT or the latest version GPT-5 is like having multiple PhD scholars that is available for you 24 by 7, ready to help you with research, writing, coding, drafting, brainstorming ideas whenever you need, whatever you need. For an example, let's if you are a college student, AI can summarize you long study materials, help with assignments, and even prepare you for the interview. If you are a content creator, AI can generate videos, write scripts, or even help with editing and marketing captions. If you are a finance or accountant or professional, automate report, analyze data, and finding trends in second. If you are an entrepreneur, AI can help you build prototype, write investors decks, and support customer relation or help in marketing. Sam said, or nowadays we see AI won't replace people, but people who know AI can replace those who don't know AI. He also emphasized in this conversation some other skills that adaptability, being flexible and open to change in fast moving time, and understand the need what people want, because every great product or services start with solving real problems. So these are my takeaways after watching these podcasts. I realize learning AI is not about mastering the AI tools. It's about clarity of purpose. Before learning any tool, we should ask ourselves, what do I want to achieve with the AI? What's my goal? What's my purpose? Once our purpose is clear, it becomes easy to use, to figure out the AI tools. There are a lot of free tools available, lot of free courses available, or even ChatGPT tell us how to we learn, how we can learn AI effectively in our daily life. Another interesting insight the Sam shared in this conversation, India is now the second largest user base of AI tool in the world. And what exciting is that India is not just about consuming. India also create and innovating the ideas by using these AI tools. So for a young professionals, it is a time to experiment, learn and build. The AI revolution is not coming, it is already here. So these were my takeaway from this conversation, from the podcast. A reminder that AI is not something to fear, but something to collaborate with. I love to hear your perspective. Which AI tools are you currently using? How are these tools help you to create? Is it really worth it? How these tools make you better day by day? And if you have a time, I really recommend you please watch the entire conversation. It's really helping. But don't worry, if you don't have time, we are here for you. We share these insights with you. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your time and attention. See you in the next one.